We move on to the next speaker, that is Dr. Karri Ramareddy Garu sir, who is the director and a consultant psychiatrist at Manasa Hospital, Rajahmundry. If I look at the CV of Dr. Karri Reddy sir, I think he has more than 20 degrees. It would take a lot of time for me to introduce. Most importantly, he's been a receiver of Dr. B.C. Roy National Award recently, and the sir has more than 400,000 publications and has treated more than 1 lakh patients with mental health issues. So a warm welcome to Karri Ramareddy sir. Sir, over to you.
Namaste, my dear sisters and daughters. Best wishes to Dentist 3 on this eve of International Women's Day. I'm very happy to be associated with you. I welcome you all for this session. Great organizations are associated with it. International College of Dentists, this region, and also Centenary Movement, unifying the progress, 100 years of dentistry in India, so on that eve also, and Indian Dental Association, the great professional organization. So many great organizations are together conducting this event. Extra Innings Webinar Series 2021 with the theme Behind Every Successful Woman Is. And I offer my best wishes to my fellow speakers, Dr. Vinita Chuk and Dr. Anusha Deshpande, and also so many great people, great persons are associated with this one. Rajiv Chukji, Ganibhaskar Rao Garu, Dr. Ravinder Singh, Dr. Ashok Doble, Professor Krishna Naik, and Dr. Gupta. So many great people are here. And GSL Dental College, GSL Educational Institutions. GSL Dental College is a famous dental educational institution, maybe in the state or maybe in the country. And I congratulate Dr. G. Sunil, the principal of this college. Okay, coming to the topic, I'm a mental scientist. You are all dental scientists. You talk about dental science, dental hygiene, and its importance. And I talk about mental hygiene, mental science, and its importance. On this Women's Day Eve, I speak something about a few psychological perspectives of this topic. Behind every successful woman is, it is an open sentence, open question. So what should we be feeling? What should we talk about? We know one thing, that behind every successful man exists a woman. Yes, we accept that. Behind every man's success, mother, sister, daughter, wife, I think a woman is responsible for every success, that way. So in the same lines, we can see also here, GSL Educational Institutions, very famous, very great academic achievements they are all doing. And Dr. Ganibhaskar Rao Garu is the chairman for that one. I congratulate him for all these successes. But the force behind him is Dr. Gani Kasimi. There is no doubt or no question about that particular statement. So in the same lines, shall we say that behind every successful woman, there is a man? Is it so simple? I don't think so. I don't agree with that one. Because what I feel is, behind every successful woman is a man is not right. Yes, I don't accept that behind every successful woman is a man statement. Behind every successful woman is a woman. That's my statement. Who that woman is? That woman is none other than you. You are a woman, and a woman behind you is you only. Because it is your attitude which is responsible for your success. You need not depend upon anybody. Nobody can pull your legs if your attitude is a successful, positive attitude. That's what is required now in this present era. people talk about Ardhanariswara. We talk about Ardhanariswara. We give a lot of importance for Lakshmi. We don't talk about Vishnu, about the prosperity also. And also, we talk about knowledge goddess Saraswati. We talk about Mother India, not Father India. We talk about Satyakama Jabali on his mother's name. He could get the education instruction from the Guru. And we talk about so many great queens, Rani Channamma, Rudrama Devi, Mirabai, so many great personalities. Recently, Indira Gandhi, great singer Lata Mangeshkar, so Sarojini Naidu, Lata Mangeshkar, so many great personalities, so many women. All those people we admire so much. And almost we do women worship like. Where women are worshipped, there we will have the peace and prosperity. There the gods will be happy and the land will become prosperous, people say. But really what is happening? Untold miseries, hardships, atrocities. Every day we hear about something or other. And it is so unfortunate that on one hand, high esteem, worship, embodiment of virtues, embodiment of tolerance, all these things we admire a lot. But on the other hand, women are suppressed so much that 2/3 of the work is done by, according to UN report only, 2/3 of the work is done by women. And only, although they are half the population, 2/3 of the work is done by them. But the income wise, only 1/10 of the income. And property wise, they are the owners of only 1 in 100. So that is the situation here. Constitution provides a lot of rights, equality between the genders and everything, and protective discrimination, doing something more extra for women, that provision. And even the discrimination in the employment, so many historical cases are there. Reservations are being implemented, but what is the use? There are articles in Constitution against the exploitation, trafficking and all. And also there are so many laws. Directive principles are there for equal pay and protection of the women, their means of livelihood, their maternity, their rights and all. But at the same time, in practice, in reality, the things are different. How can it be changed? What should be the solution? Everybody knows that the man's attitude towards women should change. Who can change the man's mentality? Again, it is the women. Again, it is the mother. Again, it is the wife. Again, it is the sister who can really take the man's somewhat deviant attitude towards the women to be corrected. So, and also the attitude towards oneself, it should be in the form of a self-confidence, not arrogance also, but self-confidence in the form of extra edge. Yes, this particular job, women only can do. No man can do this one. This particular area, women are the best people who can do this. See, this type of scenario we are seeing everywhere, that extra edge. And especially in the dentistry also, I think women are taking so great positions. And see here, among these birds, which is seen, which is conspicuous, here this is the one. Similarly, the extra edge. See, among all the lamps, this particular lamp, why we are looking at that one only? It is because of the extra edge. Every woman, every dental student or the dentist should show that attitude by getting the extra edge over the other people. See, some people gain the extra edge in the form of a deviant thing, but it is not the thing. But here the extra edge is in the form of the positive things. Wealth of determination, Sankalpa Lakshmi, that particular Lakshmi, the women should have that Sankalpa or the determination. The goals are in the form of I should I should do this one. See, it's not that having a goal which is impossible to perform or so, but the proper goals which can be set so well, and proper planning at the level of the BDS itself, planning for the future. At the level of MBBS itself, planning for the future. At the level of BA itself, planning for the future. So this type of things, I think one can do so well. Here, planning means it's just not as if we are trying to plan for the stars or so, but proper planning in the form of SWOT analysis. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? What are the opportunities around? What are the threats there? Yeah, so many threats are there. Yes, no doubt about that. How to overcome those threats and what opportunities we can grab, and also what weaknesses I have got. Those how to overcome those weaknesses, how to project my strengths. So this type of SWOT analysis would be ideal for every student at this level. Extra vision, not about the people say about the mindfulness. Think about the present only. Don't think about the future also. But future we have to plan for the. We should have the extra vision in the form of how it will be during 2030, how it will be during 2040. The future vision should have so that you will be the fit person for the future years. That passion should be there. I should achieve this one. Of course, I'm in BDS, but my goal is to crack civils. Yes. On one hand, I'll be achieving this one, and on the other hand, I'll be doing that one also. So in the same way, some passion, hitting the bullseye. If you have the motivation, you can do miracles. See, that sense of mission should be there. And see, even the people with some disabilities and the challenged people, and when they have the determination, they could do wonders. We know about the girls who lost their limbs also, without any upper limbs also, because of some problem. Ability to write with the feet, and loss of leg, amputated leg, because of some accident. Dancing we have seen. So this type of things, anybody can achieve anything if he has the determination. You joined in BDS, yes. And of course, you'll be joining in MDS also. Some people go to BDS by choice. Yes, I don't want MBBS seat. I want BDS seat only. I like dentistry. I want to become a dental surgeon. So that is my choice. I have seen people entering into BDS by choice. See, some people think that all the people will go for IAS only. But some people go by choice to IPS. It's not by chance also. Here also, some people go by chance, but some people, they take it as a choice. Even by chance also, even if we enter into MBBS or BDS or BPT or BHMS or BAMS, in whatever field you are, you can excel. And it is the joy of work. Whichever field you are in, you have to enjoy the work. Then only you will not have any stress at all. As you sow, so shall you reap. You will reap the fruits only when you sow the seeds. So that seeds you have to sow now at this age itself, so that you can reap the fruits at a later age. And fruits will not be ordinary like. You practically see some of the dentists. So entrepreneurship. See, they start branches everywhere, almost in the state or in the country also. And they take up the sponsorship programs of famous popular TV channels. For each sponsored channel, they may be spending lakhs of rupees. How are they spending those lakhs of rupees for that sponsored channels? Because of the entrepreneurship. So they have taken the career in such a way that, see, the same BDS course or MDS course, the classmates have done. because they don't lack that entrepreneurship. They are working for paltry salary somewhere. But here it is the courage one should have, and also the leadership quality, and also the work culture. A honeybee visits 2 million flowers to collect just 500 milligrams of honey. Our workload is nothing compared to them. Keep working hard and be successful. So that is the thing one should remember about. Start enjoying the experience. Whatever be the experience, yes, you have got so many RDLs in the profession, but you start enjoying. Never think hard about the past, it brings tears. And don't think more about future, it brings fears. But live this moment with a smile, it brings tears. It doesn't mean that don't have the plans for the future. I'm telling you that you should have a future with them. But no need for fear at all. And also, smooth roads never make good drivers. Smooth sea never makes good sailors. Clear skies never make good pilots. Problem-free life never makes a strong and good person. Be strong enough to accept the challenges in life. Women should face many challenges in this particular world, but still you have the strength, you have the courage, you have the talent. I think you can really mold the future of the nation of the world. And time is the most precious resource in the world. It is something like wealth only, wealth of the time. Samaya Lakshmi, I think we can say that one. The time management is very important. Set priorities. ABCD analysis, you can do that one. So that important and urgent things, you spend the time. Important but not so urgent. Okay, spend a little time. But not important but urgent things, don't waste time. Not important and not urgent, just simply don't enter into that content at all. Learn to say no to low priority requests. And your time is the most valuable thing which you should not waste. If you waste your time, your life is wasted. So you have to encash the time. And the most important thing is, either you are as a student or in profession, empathy is the most important psychological thing. Whenever we talk about the women's rights, a woman should think, keeping herself in the shoes of the man. Man should think about the women by keeping himself in the shoes of her and think about the world. Then things will be so easy, so clear. Oh, if I were in her position, I would have done this way. If I were in that patient's position, I would have thought like this. If I were in professor's position, I think I would have done this way only. I think unnecessarily I'm misunderstanding the world this way. So keeping ourselves in the shoes of the other person is another important issue. Positive attitude is very important. Anything, if you consider that it is an evil thing and a devil, it will sit on you. If you consider that it is a friend, it will be really friendly with you and it will be helping you. Even the stress also. As long as you enjoy the stress, there will not be any problem at all. You stress and it will improve, it will help for your growth. If you once start feeling somewhat uneasy with that one, really it produces a lot of distress to you. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity and an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Be positive. Whenever you are criticized by somebody, don't feel that you are being criticized always. Because you have the fruits, people are throwing stones at you. Take it in a positive way only. Whatever you think, that you will be. If you think that you are a cat, you will be cat-like only. If you think that you are a tigress, you will be tiger-like only. If you think you are weak, always you will be like that only. If you think you are strong, the strong you will be. The greatest sin is to think yourself weak. See, Thomas Edison, 9,999 times he failed. But he's still happy that I have learned 9,999 ways that won't work. So that is his contentment. And religion, I am not talking about the superstitions also, but spirituality is the humanism, seeing God in everybody. So that is the thing which is needed for this hour. Modern man should be calm, quiet, so that his performance will be high. For example, if your mind is pure, you will have calmness. If you are calm, your concentration will be more, and naturally your achievements will be more. Be having the positive thoughts. Your speech will be naturally reflecting your thoughts, and your actions will be good. Your habits will be good. Your character is praised. You will be getting good thoughts. Manasa vacha karmana, they say. Always be positive in the mind, so that you will be always talking positive, and you will be doing the positive things only. Women are supposed to play many roles, as daughter, as wife, as mother, as sister. So all these roles women are playing, and not only the career, but also plan for the family life also. Okay, if you do not want to marry, okay, it's okay. That's your wish. But how are you born? Because your father and mother married only, is it not? Similarly, about the career also, about your progress in the education, and also about the family life also, if you have whatever you feel like. Just I'm telling you about one personal thing. At the age of 18, while I was studying my MBBS, I got married. By the time I completed my MBBS and entered into MD in NIMHANS, I was carrying 2 children and wife, and went there and I studied my MD. And we conceived our 3rd daughter during my MD course only. Even while running my hospital for the past 40 years, and also having the family life, I have completed so many degrees and all, and so much social service I'm doing. So marriage or family life is not an obstacle for any progress. So you have got many roles to play as a professional and also as a family person. See, not only the women's role, daughter, wife, mother, sister, but man has to play his role as son, husband, father, and brother. So the genders both are equal. And of course, women are more equal, we have to say, because women has to play more roles, and indeed she has got the more positive things with her. See, after all, in this whole universe, we are living on the tiny planet. Our life is so small compared to the millions and trillions of years going on. People say, rather than living like a crow for a century, live like a swan for 6 months, they say. Our life is so short. In this life, we should make a mark for this humanity. I think women have the real strength, real attitude to change this world towards the better side. I wish you all a great day, a great year, and a great life. And we all should work for empowerment. But really, empowerment, who is required? Who require empowerment? Those who are weak only. I wish that in future there will not be celebrations of or debates of International Women's Day also, because there will be no need at all. After all, women and men are same only. Women and men are equal only. Why should we talk about that one? Previously, during the previous centuries or previous decades, they were discussing about it. People should smile and joke about the issue. So I wish for such a period. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.